Girl, you a walking trophy. You a walking trophy. My girl, you a walking trophy. Yeah, your friends, them a walking trophy. Tell a girl say, girl, you know say you're pretty from your band. Walk out, girl, you not try hard. Them girl, they not pretty in a real life. You're pretty on the gram and you're pretty in a real life.
Morning, sugar plums. Oh my gosh, let's see if we can cross and make this light. I am currently en route to my doctor's appointment. So I am in Brampton right now. It's Wednesday, I think it is. Sir, what you ain't been about to do is lick me over. Voila. Because we need long to take to catch light. And I hope I'm going the right way too. I feel like it's this way. Anyways, I'm lost because I normally get driven, but you know, those privileges are gone. Yeah, I don't even know if I came up at the right stop, but let's hope I did. But yeah, I'm going to my appointment. Whoa, what the fuck just happened? I'm going to my appointment right now. I think I need to do some x-rays today and stuff. So we'll see. I'm excited for an update. So yeah, journey with me. Now let's go. I made it. Thank God. It looks so... Wait, hold on. Is this the right way? It looks so different because I'm not getting like dropped off. It looks so completely different. But this is where I spent a lot of my time this year so far. So let go. I could never walk in. Now I'm walking in. Talk truth.
They don't know my story. They just know my sound. They don't know how far I'm coming from. They don't know my story. They just know my sound. They don't know how far. Oh, them a go like me not hungry before. Oh, them a go like me not stumble before. You have to make it when you're humble for sure. Crips in a cup and none around me a pour. Oh, them a go like me.
Guys, that is it. I am done. I mean, I'm not fully done like healing and shit, but in terms of appointments and doctors and hospitals, your girl is done. Okay? Okay. Oh my God, you guys are so excited. Like, my doctor, my sexy doctor, Randy Rizzik. Big up yourself, Dr. Rizzik. He looked at my foot today and he was like, girl, you got a lot of strength. And I was like, talk truth. And you know, I'm gonna do like a foot activity with my ankle and stuff like that, and impressed upon some part was still hurt like fucking hell. But you know them way there. So yeah. So I was just like, doctor, do I need to come back? He was like, girl, no, you good. I was like, oh my God, okay, thank you, because I don't want to come back, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, back home now. It's after 12. Oh my God, like I don't understand why this shit has to take so friggin' long, but this is a moment that I will never fucking forget. This is a time in my life that I will never fucking forget. This is an injury that I will never fucking forget as long as I shall live. Ooh. So yeah. Yeah, I'm just gonna journey back home. It's gonna take me like an hour and a half to go back home. Would I press it? Yeah, to go back home. So yeah, this is a cool little thing here. You wave on it, you wave or you touch it. So that's cool. Brampton always gets the finer stuff in life first. But yeah, going home. I just hope I'm on the right side. I mean, this is the side that I did come on, so it should be the opposite side to go back home. But you never know. So yeah, I'm gonna reach somewhere in our life. Me come back soon here, but yes, we're done. Look at the family of geese. Oh my God, I seen the babies the other day. Like, I never see the babies. Oh my God, it's so cute. Oh my God. Like they've been here. Like they've been here at the pond. Like they've been here. But this is so cute.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Carter. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? 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 Are you one? Are you two? Woo! Watch his face.
Yeah, bless it.
Or bras, it's afternoon. The time right now is 2:58 in the afternoon. It is Sunday. I think it's the 20th. Shit, anyways, for those Torontonians, I just made it to Scarborough. I am here. I'm going to David's Bridal because my maid of honor just came in, so I'm here to pick that up. I'm supposed to be linking up with Fuffy later on. I'm not 100% sure as of yet. We're still trying to figure out what we're going to be doing. It's a long weekend here. It's May 2-4 weekend. Ooh. So no work tomorrow. So yeah, I'm just got here, so let's go get my dress. I'm so excited to try it on. I never tried on this style. I tried on a different style, but then my status got bumped up, you know, so yes.
Okay. And you got the email?
Yes, I did.
Okay, perfect. Can I get your first name?
Sure. Zoe, ZOE.
And your last name?
Brown.
Brown?
Mm-hmm.
B-R-O-W-N?
Yes.
I did. Yeah. I wanted to make sure they're actually right. So I just checked them all in.
She's doing the floss. Okay, Zoe, what's your phone number? There's like 4 other Zoe Browns.
Really?
Yeah.
Whoa.
I know, right? Have you been here before? Is there any other?
No.
No? All right, Zoe. So it's ebony size 14?
Yes.
Pure wang. Can I see your ID, please?
Oh. Thank you so much. Okay, bitch. Jamaica's not ready. Oh God, I need to tone up this, but. And it's my sick foot too. Ew. Whatever. This one doesn't have the pockets. Oh, it does. This one even feels different. This is my dress. Yeah. Tantrums. Oh shit, I hope I can take it off because I couldn't put it on. But we're done. would have bun up in Jamaica, but so you know.